Hello everyone, hello. Today in this video, I want to talk to you about Restream.io, and this is the interface of Restream.io on one of my numerous accounts. Now, talking to you about Restream.io, I need to let you know that Restream.io allow you to go on live on the Restream.io interface. So to the left here, you see invite friends, the default, this is the default, and then you can click to open, and then you can look at the past streams I've done. I've done a series of streams for several of my channels. Then you can also go to video storage. On the video storage, I have no video storage because I can only store 3 videos, and after that 3 videos, I cannot add any other video. Now, the channels that I have are listed here. All About Africa, Family Relationship, 10 Minutes with God, the Toluwin Reality Team are the channels I have entered into the stream. Now, I've looked at the channels. Apart from channels, we can also look at the analytics. But at this time, I am not interested in the analytics. What I'm interested in is to show you how you can upload your video on Restream.io. So these are some of the analytics that I've got. I will come back to them to look at them personally. So now I am going back to home, and on the home button is still coming up. So if you want to stream live an already recorded video, and that is what I expect you to do with Restream.io, you stream live the video you have already recorded. So if you want to do this live streaming, what you do is you click on new video as I've done here. Then here you come to video or playlist. Then you click on video. Then you go to upload video. Now, on my system, I have a folder which I've called Restream. So the videos I want to restream, I've put them in those folder. Now, one of the videos I want to restream is Trump policy, impact on Africans outside the United States, and I've clicked on it and I've asked it to open. So it will open. Now, impact of Trump policies on Africans outside the US. So this is what the video is about. As I'm doing all this, the video is uploading. So it's asking me to give a description. I can copy the title and also put it in the description and then put it twice. Now, it's showing me today's date is February 8th and then 2:15 here. And then it's asking me here I can replace the thumbnail. So I can go to Canva. I can quickly go into Canva and produce a thumbnail. It's good that the internet is fast today. So I go to Canva and I make a new thumbnail quickly. So I click here and I paste what I have already copied. So Trump policies in Africans on Africans outside the US. So I come here and I enter Trump as the video title, the thumbnail title. So I change this to JPEG because JPEG has a smaller size. So I've downloaded the thumbnail I want to use. So here I come to replace the thumbnail. So to replace the thumbnail, you can see it here. So I pick it up. So after picking the thumbnail, I click on crop, and then there it goes, it is ready. Then I click on next, and then it moves and asks me that where do I want it to show. It is on this Mind of Toluwin Reality Team YouTube channel. So it's not allowing me to click on next because it is still loading. The video is still loading. I think the video has finished loading. It has 38 seconds The video is 15 minutes 38 seconds, so it is ready. So I click on create, and welcome back. If you take a look, this video will go live by 2:15, and it's already past 2:15, so I want to change it to 2:30. I'm changing the time. The video will go live to 2:30 so that it can be a good time. This is already 2:16. So after changing the time, everything is set. I click on create. So the moment I click on create, the video is scheduled. You remember, it's a video I've already recorded, so it's scheduled to go live by 2:30 on the dot. Today, it's going to go live by 2:30 on the dot, and then people will be watching it and they will see me as if I am live on the TV. So this is how it is done. You can see it has come here, and then it is ready. Trump policies and everything is ready to go live by 2:30. So this is how you can use it. Now, by the time you do this 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, you will see that you will not be able to do this on the live stream again, on the free. I have contested with some other people. They say, no, you can do more than this and that. You can do a lot. Now, there are videos that are above 15 minutes. You cannot upload it on the free. On the free, you cannot upload it. So you can see in my video storage, this is the video I've just uploaded, and it's the only video that is showing here. So others are not showing. When I add another one making 3, I cannot add another video except I go back and delete the other video. So this is the free version of restream.io. It allows you to upload only 3 videos per time, and then you can schedule them or you can watch them immediately. And then after you have finished, the time for the videos are finished, then you can delete the videos from Restream, and then you upload them again, and then it will go 15 minutes. So you can put the 15 minutes interval so that as soon as one is finishing, the other one will start. So Restream is one of the ways to live stream. It's an app that used to go on live. If you don't want to go on live on the YouTube and you don't want to set the video to premiere and you want to go on live with a recorded video, so this is live stream and Restream that will help you to do that. It helps people to get watch hour. It also helps them to do other things that will benefit the YouTube channel. So let me know what you think in the description section below. If you have watch hour and you are looking at ways to monetize your YouTube channel and you want to really use this, is a good way to go, and this is the time to start. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.